Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX, and today I'm going to be showing you guys or teaching you how to make money without capital. These things are things that I've tried and it actually works. Maybe not all, but these 5 things are sure ways you can make money without capital and from the comfort of your home. And while we get into this gist, I'm also going to be doing a little unboxing of this hair that I got from China, and these are luxury hairs that I got recently. I hope you stay tuned for this video because it's going to be really interesting. Alright guys, the first way you can make money at home without capital is affiliate marketing. Have you ever showed a friend where you got an item from? Have you ever told someone, I got this particular item from this shop? So that is affiliate marketing. So when you help a company sell their goods, they give you a percentage from that goods that you just sold. That is affiliate marketing, and I guess you don't need a capital for this. Example, you sign up with Amazon, and when you sign up with Amazon, any goods that you advertise to people and they buy using your link, Amazon is going to pay you a percentage from that goods, and you do not need money to sign up. But I think some firms sign up using money, but there are some that are free, like Jumia, Amazon. They are really free. You sign up, and when you sign up, they give you a link, and this link people buy using the link or code, and when they buy, a percentage is given to you. So the second way again you can make money is drop shipping. Drop shipping is actually a bit similar to affiliate marketing, but I think drop shipping gives you this dominion, like you actually can claim ownership of these goods. So in drop shipping, you can just dress up one morning, walk into a shop and tell the owner of the shop, I want to help you sell your goods. But while you sell these goods, you put your own company names, company labels. I do same too. I drop ship for a lot of hair companies, but I just get those goods, the one that they haven't place their tag on or anything. I put my company logo on it, and when I do this, I sell at my own price and pay back the company their own price. So some company or some shops or some business owners might not really allow you to go with the goods without paying. So you doing this, you might just really need a good camera or a good phone, so you can take pictures when you go to those shops, or you can ask them to take pictures and send you pictures while you customize it and show your customers. So when they buy, you send them back the orders and they send to your customers, and then you're making money. Imagine drop shipping for a company that sells maybe a shirt for 200, and then you put your price and sell for 400. How much do you think you're making? You're making 200 naira extra without paying for anything. Actually drop ship for one underwear company. Just that why I did not last with this company was because their prices, the drop shipping price they were giving to me, were really too high, and because it was too high, I couldn't keep up. Like, I couldn't bear the mind. How do I say? Like, I wasn't so comfortable giving out high prices to my customers, because some undies that normally I see people buying for 2,500 naira in Nigerian currency, these companies give you at 2,800 and expect you to add your own price to it. And when you do that, you already have 3,000 naira, and that fellow is still going to pay for Webi, which was too expensive. So you get companies that sell things that you are interested in. Like, I'm interested in hair, so I get companies that sell hair. I drop ship for them. I'm going to insert pictures of some hair that I've drop shipped. I put my own company logos on those pictures of the hairs, and then I resell. So people might actually trust you that this is from your brand and they buy from you. So I think dropshipping and affiliates are actually similar, but they're different because affiliates, you don't own rights to the goods. You only have a code that earn you money when they buy using your code. While dropshipping earns you money as if it is your own business. To start a business or you're looking to start a brand, dropshipping is a good way of raising capital. Like you can actually sell for, as you can actually add your own price, and when you do that, you make money without capital. So the third way you can also make money without capital, without going out, is saving. Okay, yeah, I know I'm talking to wives. Some of you will say, how do I make money without, I don't work, so how do I save? You save from little money you make from the market. If you're asked to cook, you save up from it. And this money, instead of just keeping it in your house and letting it waste, or just keeping it in your house or buying biscuits and cheese bar for the children, you can just save. And the best way I save recently, and it has really helped me, is saving in dollars. You know, Nigerian currency is almost becoming useless, but it's still our currency anyway. So I save in dollars, and the way you do this, the way I save in dollars, is I use piggyvest. This piggyvest, they give you interest. You get percentage for saving, and when you save in dollar, it saves your money from devaluing. Instead, your money adds up. Like every day dollar increases. Yes, in Nigeria recently, every day our dollar is increasing, and when that happens, instead of your 1,000 naira to become as useless as 100 naira, your 1,000 naira becomes 2,000 naira. When dollar increases, it becomes 3,000 naira, and that is a very good way of saving. So using piggyvest to save, I don't think their dollar rate increases that fast, but it's really good. You can save different way. You might not really want to save in dollar. You can lock up your savings. Maybe you get a bulk money and you want to save this money for a particular period. You can just cut it out and put it in piggyvest, and immediately you lock it. While you are locking this, immediately they give you a percentage. You can do target savings using piggyvest. You can say I want to save 100, and then you start up saving. They remind you every day constantly until you get to that percentage you want to save. You can also do everyday saving. Like if you want to do these people that do ajo or contribution, something like that, they actually save every day. So you can put those money in your account, and piggyvest will debit you every day. Every day they take a particular amount, and you get a percentage for every saving. And to think of referring someone, oh my god, that is like the most interesting part of piggyvest. I don't think they're scam, because this is just like a bank helping you to save. So I've actually used this, and I think they are really trusted, and their interest rate is really wonderful. So in case you are interested, I'm going to be putting my link down in the description box, and there you can use my link and get 1,000 naira to start up your savings. Alright, owning a YouTube channel, girl, it is not easy. Like, it's not, if you know you want to just own the channel for money's sake, you'll be calming down small, because it is not easy. But when some people actually grow really fast, but if you grow on YouTube and you start getting paid in dollars here in Nigeria, my sister, you are on a long thing. You are chopping line. So YouTube is actually another good way of making money as a wife. You can just film your life people want to see lifestyle. You can film yourself while cooking. You can just do little things that you feel you like and have eyes watch you. So I think that is another way of making money. So another way you can make money without capital is being a food vendor. Yes, as a food vendor, like, I'm not saying going out to sell food, but you can put up that you cook food, and people like women that are too busy to cook at home, they contract you and they give you money. You cook for them and take to their house. So you don't really need capital to start up this one, because I'm very sure you have your pot at home, you have your stoves at home, you have gas. So the only thing, you charge them for what you are cooking for them, and then you actually make them money at home without capital. This is like a bonus tip, is having a pre-order class, organizing a pre-order class. And this works like, get contacts from China, wherever, or contacts of a particular thing, maybe clothes, hair, shoes, and all this. You get contacts, and then you create a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, you are going to add up people you know will be interested in this. And when you add up these people, you ask them to make pre-order. You make it look cheaper to them, that having a pre-order class, you are going to make money from it. So when they do this, you actually get people to place order and pay in their money. They place order and pay in their money. At the long run, you make capital that you are actually going to use in buying those goods for them, and then you make your own profit. I think this is risky, because you don't know if what you are going to be ordering is what they will actually get, and you don't know if I don't know, but it's actually risky, but it's worth the risk at the end of the day. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And if there's any of my wigs that you actually find interesting or you find beautiful, I'm going to be leaving my WhatsApp contacts on the screen. Please send me a WhatsApp DM for any of the goods you think you like, or if there is any other thing you really want to know more about, because this is just a highlight, you can also send me a DM on WhatsApp. Thank you. See you in my next one.